growing tired of having this debate in this chamber. So now I'm speaking to you directly, the peoples of Europe. I know, like me, the eyes of the starving children in Gaza, the pictures of the shredded bodies of the children in Gaza are haunting you. 14,000 children are at the brink of death. 14,000. By the end of today, as a direct result of the Israeli siege. And finally, we have seen some movement. Yesterday, finally, the Council agreed to review the association agreement with Israel. And it is thanks to you, the peoples of Europe, you made that possible. So don't stop now, don't look away. Write to your members of the parliament, call your government, email your representatives, ask for them to push for the stopping of the association agreement with Israel during the review time. It is a history-defining moment. Let the people of Europe be the ones who define that history.